A lot of people like to put barrel knots at the end of their work, so I'll show you how to do that. Bring it around in a curve like this and then go through that loop 1, 2, 3 times and then pull both ends. And there's your barrel knot. I'll show you again. Around 1, 2, 3 and pull both ends. And there's your barrel knot. You can also do it with 4 loops. Well, you could do it with 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then pull. I'll show you the difference in the 2 knots. There's not much difference, but it's a little bit. Some people, it depends on how much rope you have and how much time you have. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then pull both ends. You see? That's the difference. Barrel knot. Thank you.